A familiar rockpool inhabitant, the common limpet. Unassuming, unremarkable, that is until now. Inside these tiny teeth, what's believed to be the strongest natural material found on Earth. Asa Barber is the lead scientist who made the discovery.
So this is the underside of the limpet, and as you can see, the mouth of the limpet there. So the limpet has developed a really unique way of feeding. So it rolls out of its mouth a tongue-like appendage called a radula. And on the underneath of the radula are rows of the limpet's teeth. And straight away, you can see the curved shape of the teeth. And what the limpet's doing is once it rolls out this radula with the teeth on the underneath, it then rolls it back in, and these teeth scrape on the surface of rocks.
The limpet teeth are made of microscopic fibres about 1,000 times thinner than a human hair. And it's these, densely packed, that give the teeth their record-breaking strength. Until now, spider silk was thought to be the strongest material in the natural world. But now the limpet tooth has proven even stronger, even than many man-made materials. Well, we've spared no expense in illustrating the strength of limpet teeth. Here we have some spaghetti, here we have a hippo. But what you're saying is that that's how strong limpet teeth are, right? If it was the spaghetti, it'll be able to hold up a hippo.
Absolutely. So if we made that spaghetti out of the limpet tooth material, it would be strong enough to support the weight of our friend the hippo in the picture.
And another illustration of how strong it is, we've got a flak jacket here used in war zones, obviously bulletproof, this Kevlar here, and you're saying it's even stronger than that if it were a material.
Absolutely, and this is really the wonderful aspect of learning from nature.
Barber says that engineers in fields like Formula One might be able to learn from limpet tooth structure. Being able to improve the strength of materials whilst keeping them lightweight is essential for this kind of